Hey everyone! If you're on the hunt for cool stuff, whether it's gadgets, fashion, or home decor, but don't want to break the bank, you've probably browsed through tons of options online. But let's be real. Not every product you see is as great as it looks, right? Today, I'm going to show you how to shop smart so you won't waste your time or money. Have you ever experienced this? You see something in the pictures, it looks amazing.
Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and activate the notification bell so you do not miss any other exciting videos. See you in the next video.